Now, welcome back, my fellow aggressive learner. In this session, we're going to talk about head element. All right. So this element. All right. Now, this is we're going to discuss all this. Remember, we say it is the page information. So we'll just discuss it in a bit. Now, let's head over to Google. Go to your Google. Type head. If you type head element in your Google, it will bring out a whole lot of things. There's Mozilla. There's this. So let's open up W3 School, open up developer, Mozilla Firefox, developer. All right. Now, these are the two pages, and so many other pages where you can actually get content about HTML. And in fact, Mozilla Firefox is one of the best of them, right? Good. You can get a whole lot of information about different kind of tags, how to use them. In fact, a whole lot of information that you will need to know about stable introduction to HTML and so on and so forth. Let's head over to head element in W3 School. This is also another resource that you can use to get more information here and there. All right. Now the whole we say that header is used to contain, all right, some of the following elements. The title is there, which is something like this, all right, and then meta, where you have all the information, links, all right, so you can link a page. We'll see that in the future. Then you can put some JavaScripts and so many other things inside a head page. All right, that means a lot of things can be contained inside here. Let's take a look at some of the major ones that are consistent. All right, just roll down, go down to, just keep going down. Thank you. Meta. Now these are the meta information, like the names suggest. All right, there are metadata, data that describe a particular website. All right, the behavior of a particular website. Now UTF, the very first one, which you always see, UTF-8, is character set. All right, it's used for character set, like more like character set encoding. You know, these letters you are seeing that the browser is interpreting. Don't forget that your keyboard does not understand this letter. What your keyboard understands, they understand special characters. All right, numbers. So your browser is able to interpret and put those letters, all right, in whichever way they form, from this language to this language, and put it in a plain language or plain language, most especially English, all right, that you will be able to understand. All right. So it is this UTF-8. If you remove this UTF-8, you might just notice that your what you're seeing on your page is looking like maybe French or some character notation that you don't even know what it looks like. All right. And the next thing you will look at there is the search engine, the meta keyword. It has some certain keywords in it. Now, this keyword help search engine optimization. Now, if you put this thing on your website and list things like this, by the time your page, Google optimize your page online. If you type, if you come online on Google and type HTML, your page will be among one of the ones that will come up first, right? If you type CSS, your page will be among one of the ones that will come out. If you type JavaScript, your page will be among one of the ones that will come up in search engine, irrespective of the location where the person searched those content from in the world. All right, good. Now, the the another thing is the the description page. All right, where you're able to describe your website and all that. The authors page, where you put the name of the person who did it. Now all this information, the Google indexing captures all this information and use it to what, optimize a page. All right, and of course you can refresh a document every 30 seconds. All right, that's for this particular HTTP equiv. All right, refresh. Now the next one I want you to look at is what we call viewport. Very important. This one I'm so interested in. All right, you can see width equal device width. All right, initial scaling 1.0. So what exactly is this? What this means in simple terms is that once you define this line of code in your HTML, all right, your any device, let's say the person is using a small phone, as long as it is there, that page will be able to fit into that screen, the size of the screen. If you bring a very smaller device, it will be able to fit, it will scale itself to fit to the size of the screen. If you bring a laptop, it will scale itself to fit to the size of the laptop. So this particular viewport makes it easy for your website to fit, all right, the width of the device, all right. That is just it. Now, this initial scale to be 1.0, of course, that is the initial zoom level. Anytime, immediately the page loads, this is the initial scaling level or zoom level that you will always see. All right. So basically, that is it. I adjure you to take your time, go to W3 School, check out some of these things, learn a couple of things. All right. Don't just sit down and depend on what you are given. Do more researches, come to MDN Web Docs, that is mozilla.org for developers. Come there, you will see a lot of info that you can actually learn from and all that. Let me show you something again. HTML, go to what we call Internet Archive. Internet Archive, all right. Before now, you could see all, let's look at, you've heard of Yahoo, all right. Let's check for Yahoo Yahoo.com. Now this Internet Archive keep history of all the, a lot of things. Now this is, let's see what Yahoo looked like on the first day it was launched. Yahoo.com, that you know. Let's see what it looks like on the first day it was launched. On the first day it was launched. Let's see what it looks like. Good. It's opening another page. Now, sorry, let me just do this. I want to open Facebook. Let's see what Facebook looks like on the first day it was launched. Facebook.com, right? Facebook.com. Facebook.com. Let's see what it looked like on the first day. Now, don't forget our Yahoo is also opening. Let's see what Facebook looked like. This is the first day that Facebook was launched. So I'm going to open it here. While my Yahoo is opening. On the first day of launching of Yahoo, this is what Yahoo looked like. The very first day of launching Yahoo, this is what it looked like. This is what it looked like. Ah, okay, whatever it is, I just want you to understand that all your internet are actually being archived. The progress of the internet, all right. Let's say google.com. Google is being archived. You could see up till dates, they are being archived. They are be okay. Sorry, good. I think I'm the one that made a mistake. Let's scroll down to 1996. That was when Google came up. Thank you very much. The very first day, 1996. That was when Google came up, right? No, not 1996, was it? Yeah. Let's just check one of the dates, all right? So we see, get some basic information of what Google looked like when it first came. So we are going to do web. So I wanted us to see Yahoo. You can see what Yahoo looked like when 1998. This is what Yahoo looked like. This was what Yahoo looked like 1998. Look at it. November 11, 1998. All right. So let's look at what Yahoo looked like. Yahoo.com. Now let's check Yahoo 1996. 1996, the very first day. Okay, good. So let's look one of the snapshots. 1996, that was Yahoo. So you have seen Google. Look at what it is. You know what it is today. So you can actually check the most current one and all that. So that's it, my guy. You can go ahead, check it out yourself, and enjoy the flow. There are so many things. I bet you. Look at what Yahoo looked like the very first time it came out. Look at it. Look at them. Look at them. Education, universities. Let's click on uh, computer science. You would see a whole. Look at what internet looked like. Look at it on the very first day. On the very first day. On the very first day. So there's a whole lot that you can actually learn from them. So take your time, open them, and then you'll be able to learn a whole lot of things. Look at what internet and headlines were looking like. They were looking like pure HTML that you know. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. So this is a film. I think this. I don't know what this is. US Durable Goods Order. I think this is a news site and all that. Look at how it is looking on the very first day. So thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for being part of this course. Thank you for being patient. Thank you for following up. Thank you for following through. Thank you for getting to this stage. That shows you're doing very well. And I'm going to see you in CSS. I'm going to see you in CSS class. All right. Thank you very much.